He doesn't want anyone. Nope. But she hears my voice. She's listening to me. Oh no, she doesn't like me. What? What don't you like? What's the matter? Flash a light on my camera. Oh, there's crickets on your foot. Well, why don't you get them off? It's not good to have crickets on your feet. You had a cricket on your tail earlier. Is that going to be the next victim? My camera's just too distracting for you. Too distracting. Blinky lights. Yep. Can you hear the hamster in the background? I think her life's just full of chaos right now. Still a cricket. You know, this is more interesting than my lizard. Let's watch the cricket. Not even threatened. Gonna get it? Can I get it? You looked like you were. Looks like you're gonna go to the bathroom now. Yeah. Cricket. She's watching you. Oh no, look at that, she's got her eye closed. Okay, it's not closed. Tricky reflection. See, this is why I normally don't talk in my videos. But the lizard's not very hungry today. So other entertainment must be found. Okay, well, I suppose I'll end this video now. It's long enough. Bye guys.